Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. If you want to know how I achieved that look, just keep watching. I'm going to be using my 18 Colors of Day and Night by Upscale Faces. This is her eyeshadow palette. I'm also going to be using her brushes in this video as well. You can get these products at upscaleface.com and use code Mika for 20% off. The first brush I'm going to be using is brush number 14. That's a pencil brush, and I'm going to start drawing out my wing. The next brush I'm using is brush 13, jumping into Cena and start blending it out. Jumping back into Coffee, I'm going to put that directly into my crease so that when I cut my crease, it'll be nice and sharp. Applying it with the pencil brush number 14. Taking brush number 15 and some eyeshadow base from Upscale Faces as well. I'm going to slowly start blending that out on my lid, making a soft cut crease. Jumping into my Jamrock palette, I'm going to take that yellow and place that directly on my lid. This is the eyeshadow palette by Plan to Makeup by Eyeliner. Taking Coffee with that pencil brush and slowly start smoking that out in my outer corner. We're going to take my favorite liner by Upscale Faces. This is her liquid eyeliner. It dries matte really fast. It has a fine point at the tip, which makes it easier for you to draw that sharp wing. I'm going to be drawing my wing on with that. Taking that black in that palette, I'm going to start slowly smoking out the liner and connecting it to the outer corner of my wing.
You want the heat, I got it.
Applying my e.l.f. Power Grip Primer on my face, I'm going to start slowly patting that in. The foundation I'm using is Fenty Beauty Foundation in the shade 370, and I'm just applying it with a concealer brush. Taking my brush number 4 in an Upscale Face brush set, I'm going to be slowly patting that foundation into my face. Using Urban Decay Stay Naked Concealer in the shade 40, I'm going to apply that underneath of my eye. Then I'm going to go in with the shade 60 and apply that under my eye as well. Using the Real Technique brush, I'm just start blending my concealer out. Now I'm going to start using my Laura Mercier setting powder, applying that everywhere I apply the concealer. It's time to contour, so now let's slowly contour our face using my mixed race contour palette by Planet Makeup by Eyeliner. Alright, now I'm going to use this teal color in this eyeshadow palette by Upscale Faces, 18 Colors of Day and Night, and apply that under my waterline. Using the Tropical Vacay palette by Planet Makeup by Eyeliner, I'm going to start using these colors to pretty much warm my face back up. This is the matte lippy from Planet Makeup by Eyeliner in the shade Lola. Now I'm going to place the P. Louise eyeshadow base in the middle of my lips. I believe this is the Acid Rain base. Taking that same yellow shadow from the Jamrock palette and applying that in the middle of my lips.
You want the heat, I got it.
Now to give it an extra pop, I'm taking some glitters. I took the chunky glitter is 24 Karat by J. LaRue Cosmetics, and then the second glitter I put on my lips was called Fairy Dust. This highlight is by Juvia's Place in the shade Nafatiri. Taking that same palette, 18 Colors of Day and Night by Upscale Faces, to pretty much place the highlight on my nose and my Cuban's bow. I'm also taking Mars and placing it in my inner corner. Alright y'all, this is pretty much the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like the video if you like this makeup look. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And into the next video, y'all. Peace.